Okay, let's first of all take a look at the right hand, starting with your fourth finger on E. Okay, that section is going to repeat. Let's take a look at the left hand now. Left hand will be in this open octave position pretty much for the whole first section of this song. The movement with your pinky is going to be from A to E to A. There's a lot of fifth movement pattern. Now I know that's a fourth, but it's always a fourth when you're going down the piano and a fifth when you're going up the piano. So A to E is a fifth, just going this direction. Okay? So here's the left hand. That repeats. Okay? So let's look at this together, nice and slow. Okay, that's the first section. Of course, I did not add any pedal nor any dynamics, which is what really makes your songs musical. But for this purpose, for learning the notes, we're going to keep it very simple. Okay, let's take a look at this second section. So after you repeated the first section, you ended up here. You're going to go right into the next section, which I'll demonstrate at the end. You put your second finger up on B, and we're just going to walk it up. Then come down to G. F, E, D, F, E, D, C, E, D, C, B. Okay? The next section we have to do with hands together. So let's look at that one more time. Okay? Here's the left hand for that. Now remember when I mentioned the fifth movement? We were here when we ended. Okay? You're going to take this hand shape and you're going to put it on C now. So you're playing C, G, C. Okay? Then we're going down to G and doing that crossover again. Make sure when you do that crossover, it's the octave. Reach for that note, like you're pointing at that note, but you reach for it. So come on out, bend your wrist and really reach for that note. Okay, then back to A, E, A, and then we have our octave movement. The pinky is moving from C to G to A down to E, and if we look at that going up the piano, those are fifths. So as I was saying, there's a lot of fifth movement in this song. Okay, one more time on that. It's, you're ending here. Okay? Then we're going to go into the octaves. So let's look at that hands together now. Octave on C's, second finger on B. Okay, here come the octaves. Fifth, fifth, octave. Did you see what I did there? So, play your pinky twice with your left hand. All E's. right hand, left hand, right hand. Okay, so one more time. Okay, then we're going to go right into the brushing, like this is a pet. So, third finger of the left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Okay, so all in all, if we count all of our D sharps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just think you're going to play that D sharp 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So with the octaves, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So let's do that second part all together now. So we ended here.